Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The deal is gone.
Morning everybody, can you guess where we are today? I've got my cap, my shades and my scarf. Back at Blizzard Beach for Daddy's birthday.
It is.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Yeah.
It's feeling quiet again, which is good, nice and relaxing. You can get on the ride straight away. Perfect.
Your birthday today. We can see everything. Good fun, good fun. It's dinner time, and look what we have got. Pepperoni, flatbread, and some fries. Dad's gone the same as well, and Mum. Happy birthday! Well, that's it at Blizzard Beach. Hope to see it soon sometime. But it's been a great day today. We're going to go out for Dad's birthday for something to eat. How are we, Dad? Where are we going? I don't know what it's called.
What's it called, Mum?
Bahama Breeze or something.
Bahama Breeze.
Bahama Breeze. You better get down on your knees.
Bahama Breeze.
Ming, 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 ming. There it is, Bahama Breeze. This is road, Vinland Avenue. This is where the road is to them outlet malls. So it's that first restaurant you come to. Cocktails come. It's called Painkiller. That's it.
Oh, these are well good like beef, like pastries. That's a light portion.
I'm glad I got them.
That's like a chicken pasta thing going on there. Lovely. Now I've gone for the shrimp and mahi with lemongrass sauce. It's got chicken and peppers, shrimp, and then rice underneath. Lovely. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday. Oh, Steve. It's all slopped down a little bit, but you can just make out what it says. Happy birthday to you. No, don't eat the candle. Just finished with the Bahama Breeze and that was absolutely awesome. Definitely recommend that. It's a shame it's our last night because I definitely want to go again. Right, next stop we are doing a little bit of crazy golf. Oh yes, we have stopped off at the Winter and Summerland next to Blizzard Beach. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Best like a bit of a contender because she beat me last time in Manchester, and Dad's always a competitor as well, so it's gonna be tough on this. Are you feeling confident, Mum? No. What are you aiming for first, second, third or fourth? What would you have to with? First. So you're not confident but you're aiming first?
Yeah, aiming for first and a few holes in one.
Go on. Are you confident? Are you confident?
I'm alright.
You alright?
Yeah, looks okay.
Alright. You've had it. Oh, here we go. Excuses are coming out already. They're coming out already. Go on, Dad. Has he got it in? It's stuck. Daddy, you alright? What are you doing climbing on there for? you not say. Right, you got 6 now. You got 6.
What, you just get... Just stop.
Was that your 5th?
Yeah, you stop at 6.
Stop at 6, so... No. But I think it... Yeah, just pick your ball up, Beth. We're ready for course number 3 now. But hole number 4.
Hole number 4.
Okay. Oh! Right, go on, Mum. Show how it's done. Oh yeah. Oh, nice shot. That's good, that. Get Dad's far away as possible. Tense this. Oh, that's how it's done. Now you got all in one, last one. Come on, show us your moves on this. Come on. Oh, he's got it in. He's got it in. Yep, yep, yep. Oh no, it's dropped down on the bridge.
I think you need, you need to stick your nose up a little bit higher.
That's it.
That's it.
I think you've got it quite there. Oh, oh, Daddy, you know you should have got that. Oh.
No, no.
Lining it up there, Beth. You know what you're doing now, yeah? Oh, man, I hope so. My God.
Where's the yours going?
No, Dad's got two. He's keeping the twos ticking. Mandy two. He needs this in the tree. He's in trouble. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Oh, it's got stuck. Oh! Dad, it didn't make it. Not hard enough. Oh no, Daddy. Daddy. This is tight. This is a tight game. Go on, Beth. Oh! What a shot that was. Oh, Daddy for three. It's all down to this, Dad, I think.
Uh-oh, the elves are about ready to crank it up.
See you, Santa. It's the most crucial part of the game, the scores. The final scores. Okay, I'll come back in a minute. Getting a bit nervous about the scores here. I'm hoping I've beaten Dad here. I'm really hoping it's the tightest game I've ever played, I think. You want to tell everybody what you just told us?
Me?
Yeah.
There's first, second and third is between 1 point each. So the third person is 2 points behind the third person.
You come third.
No, you come fourth. Fourth.
I like how everyone just assumes it's not me.
So what did you get? What was your score?
My score was 54 out of 56.
Well, not under par, 2 under par.
That's not what right, in third place,
Oh no.
third place, we've got Steve.
Oh! Third place!
With 45.
Oh, Dad, what's going on? We want to recount, we want to recount. Oh! Yeah! Run her up, run her up.
It's Lewis with 44.
No! What? What? No way! No way! Well done, Mandy.
When you say who do you think it is, I wanted to say myself, so I thought I have a bloody good run towards end. I'm not a good golfer, but I'm good at doing my...
Sure, Mandy will come first.
Wow, wow, wow.
Mandy come first.
Well done, Mum. Well done.
Yeah.
Dark horse, we ruled her out straight.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Right from the beginning, didn't we?
No, they were watching my 2, 2, 2, 1, 2.
No, I get it.
Where are you playing? She's done it on calculator as well, Steve.
You know, speaking with these scores winners, 44 is Lewis.
No, you're Steve. No, Beth's got it right here. Beth's fourth, right?
Lewis is like, oh,
Dad is third, I've come second and Mum's won. Yes, Mum. Dark horse.
Because I did some really good scores there. She was more of a
Look,
game.
ain't consistent there. She got 2, 2, 2, 2, 2,
I know.
2, 4, and then 2 1 1s.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, shock.
Lewis, come over here. How do you feel about your mum beating you?
No, I'm pleased for her. I'm actually pleased for her. I came here to beat Dan and I beat Dad, so I'm happy Mum won.
No, you didn't. You came here to win, admit it.
Well, yeah, I did actually, to be honest, but I'm happy that Mum won, so.
No, you're not. Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. Not lying.
You're crying inside, aren't you?
I am. Don't film me. Don't film me, please.
Thanks for watching. Till then, we get up and we go again. Bye.
We'll be right back.